class karon. Late ko ni Mata. It's already, pero nagluto na ko guys sa akong rice. It's already 9:36. So, ang agenda for today is mag-add to sa library. Mga 12. Napa ko isa ka ako kabel maghimo din ko kuan. Pero niya na. Magluto sa ako. Mag-vacuum sa ako dali yung gamay niya sa balay. Ay, isa din na gusto ko edit sa vlog. Dayon, upload ko unta sa vlog. But I don't think I can do that. Let's just see. Naka-upload ba ko, no? Dayon, after that, mga 4 ako sa search kung unsa to oras ang misa, ang mass. Guys, it's already 11, I think. And makasalanan kaya kung ano today, guys. Ano, well, guys. Sport fact! So, makasalanan, but whatever. I need something spicy. Let's eat, guys. There's pork and rice. See you later. Brunch / lunch, dinner type shit. Hi guys, I don't know what time it is. Don't mind the mess. 3:30 na guys. So maglakaw-lakaw lang ko. Kasi wala rin ko ka-vlog yesterday after ko. Kalimut kong dala sa camera, no? Kaya mag-ato simbahan. So, katurang kamay nga tote bag. Oh my gosh, it's okay. Okay, is that correct? Or I'll choose the black one na lang for easy. Kana na lang guys, no? For easier lang. Mag-walking lang ko guys. Gotta get out sometimes. Like, there's supposed to be a kalo sa akong isa ka jacket nga kanang bitaw, removable. So, pwede siya na kalo, pwede siya walay kalo. But so far, hindi na ako kakita ng kalo. Ako din yung kaninga libro. It's called Lessons in Chemistry. Napalitin ako siya sa Milan, guys. Ito November 1. Ano sa'yo naglakaw yapan, guys? Look. See, naga by people mag-walking outside. Even though it's freezing. So right now is mag-ato sa bank, withdraw, and then maglakaw-lakaw lang, no? I'm going at the back of the church guys. Kaya dito ko mag-agi. Wala hilong kain. Ano yun? Basta pag Sunday sa Germany. Ruitag. Nani kahilom guys sa Sunday mag-walking sa tanah guys sa kinamagi. I don't know where this slow road leads to. Kadamdam ako nakagi ko dress una pero kalimot na bitaw ko. I don't know saan ako padulong. Watagan man tao go walking dira ako. So I'll go there. One ko na magtabok rin ko. Remember na may dalan dito. I'll go there I think. I need to find a chair guys. Sit and read. Ito kay hangin kayo. Ito kay hangin kay. Paana mo ng wind no. guys. This one, yung ginahatag sa ako ba? It's like 50% off! So, more shoes. Magpalitingan ko isa. I think something like this. Okay, sa ako to in-store. Kaning fila sa pwede sa ninyo. I have another one, but it's so long. Tapos, mag-layers of layers. Kubi ako sa ano, no? I don't think that's proper. Tapos, bukat sa dedo, no? Akong buhaton is iluftan ako mga windows, guys. I'll just start here. Right now, wala nung ko nag-ilis na ako, pero maligo pa ko niya. Yeah, maligo pa ko niya. And right now, I'm eating yogurt. Magibot nga na ko granola, guys. Tapos nagtanaw ko, Anika T, D Sisters, my current favorite vloggers right now. After that, mag-edit ko vlog. Then, ako dito pilaon.
Right now in Tokyo after 3.5 hours in sunset. I'm finally at the flea market. This is our very first time here, and oh my gosh, there's so many people. I don't know if you can see it yet, but so many people. I forgot to bring like a preschool shopping bag.
I'm currently editing. Loading pa ang video because there's so many clips. Right now, I'm 17 minutes in and 1 hour ng video. I think I'll cut it to like 30 minutes. I think that's too long for a video. No, let's see ba kung ganahan ng mga tao. Monday. It's already 7:30. Maligo naman ta ako, no? Okay, you know, classes starts at 8:45. So, mga 8:05 pa. Doon ako sa post. Then, mag-train, blah, 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 blah. And then, nag-message pa namang, nag-email man namang teacher na pag 7, naapa daw siya practice bisu. So, mga pa siya sa isa ka student. Then, siya magtanong, blah, blah, blah. That means, guys, is naalang siya yung mga questions na gipa-answer sa amo. Answer that now. Tapos mga 8:30 na tingin ko magikan dali, no? Hapit na mag-December, guys. Hapit na mag-2026. Kapag ko naman pag-answer, guys. But yeah, I'll answer it later sa school. Kapag na ako mo po yun. Wala pa man ang teacher niya. Pag na ako sa no. So this is my balloon, guys. Water. Overnight oats with yogurt. Pasta. Napagtara na ako sa orasan. Agoy, 8:22 naman. So, I can't. That's why. Ano na lang ta? 8:40 na po. Tapos, I'll bring the umbrella. Okay. So that it will rain today. Later, I think also.
Ja, ablesen, dass Sie gefühlt haben, als Sie das gelesen haben, ja, diese Fragen, ja. Bei Klausur. Es ist nicht schwierig.
This is finished. Good home. Mag-grocery take ko kadyot. Kamay lang good dito sa neto. I'm gonna use the stickers. Mag-uban na ako mag-tram. Hindi ko mag-S-ban. Ang pwede ko croissant. This one. Kanang mura siya. Ham. Sausage. Kanay paprika. So, baka man. And then butter. Butter. Ano na siya nga butter, guys? Salted butter. Onion. And then grapes. Dark grapes. Mura na, guys. Ano sa itong buhatin karon? Hi guys! So mag-grocery ko karon and look. Mamasura tanong. This is like the botilya. Dili bang tanan na pa mo dito pero kanilang sa akong exchange. Ikapoy dalagdaghan. Gamay ba sa akong paliton? Bye! Nag-grocery ko otro guys. Katong dira na sa dool. Kay mga drinks o gatas mo nang gi-grocery. So kung dito po ko sa layo. Bukat no! So first, cola. Padili sa Coke sa brand saya. Kaya mas barato mo siya guys. It's just the same taste, you know? Of course, dili mo wala tong fruits. Banana. And then, milk. Maghapit na nakaporoton. Isa pa ka drinks, juice, orange, mango, and pineapple juice. And then, nag-sale mo na guys, Skyr. Skyr is like, more siya yogurt, pero mas thick na yogurt. I think, yeah, that's how to explain it. Ano yung flavor ang gipili? Okay, so muna ka itong plain lang nga Skyr o vanilla nga Skyr, no? Yeah, ang kwanda niya ako yung ref, para mabugnaw gamay. And ang milk, ako stay dire kaya naapo man sa ref wood nga naabihan. Hi guys, today is November 25, 2025. It's Tuesday. Right now, I'm currently cooking fried chicken in the air fryer. I just found the recipe nga katong crispy fried chicken in the air fryer, and so far, last time, kung ako to siyang di-use, ako to siyang i-follow ang recipe, isundog ang recipe, it worked, you know? So, I'm gonna do it again. You're wondering, it's already 9:30, almost 10 a.m. Kanina naman ito nag-alarm ako 9:30 ng alarm. We're just half day today. Kaya mong ingon sa teacher. Alauna, mag-start ang class day, 1 p.m. at 1 p.m. because I think our teacher is not there in the morning. He will go somewhere, I don't know, seminar I think. But he did give us an aufgabe, which is like something that we need to work on. Around mga 11 mo ato na tingnan ko sa school. No? I don't know. Well, gahulat ko sa akong fried chicken nga ma-fry sa air fryer. Maghimo na lang ko sa a bit of the questions from the assignment. I think it's easier man kay balik-balik naman ko sa diabetes. Ang no. So yeah, let's do that. So guys, I just got my coffee and mag-work with me while I answer the aufgabe that my teacher. Of course, for motivation. Matanaw tagwag. Hindi yan mawawala, uy. Human ako sa akong aufgabe guys, sa akong katong assignment nga gipaano sa teacher. And mag-eat na lang ta. Nawa. Air fryer ni. Pero murag ka ng fried chicken itcha no. I'm so proud, it's so crispy. Naghimo de ko gravy kanina guys para sa fried chicken na raw. Akong kinabot nga daan water kay ngano guys. Kanang puan mo gid siya kanang fruit something gid ba? Nagrabi ka tamis. I don't like it. That is so sweet. I like it, but I don't like it that it's so sweet, you know? Okay. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but yeah, I hear the crunch. Ay, naday ko salad. Ako na tukaw na niya. Ang wala good ng skin, guys. More fried chicken. I just got home from school. And nag-ulan, it's so dark na. Alas 5 pag-alik. Alas 5 is almost 5, I think. Yeah, it's already 5:10. Tigil ko ganahag winter. It's so... Mura mo ito akong vlog karon guys. Mga ito dapat library. Pero labot ka ang ulo. Tapos, I don't know. I don't know what's happening with my health anymore. I'm currently listening to... gali ka na ba mag-train ko? Kaya mga 30 minutes ba ng school no? Away from where I live kani. It's a Bisaya podcast. Guys, gusto ko ako maghimog podcast na Bisaya. About like life abroad or something. Mag-listen kaya mo guys kung maghimog ko Bisaya na podcast. I don't know. Good morning guys. I think it's... What time is it? It's Wednesday, November 26. Already 6 6:38, 6:40. Today, nami class, whole day. Unfortunately, whole day, blah, 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 yeah. I'm currently waiting for the rice, kamahuman. Then, I'll cook the eggs. Currently, I'm making a sandwich. Ako ipakita niya, okay? So, my agenda today, I don't know. I think mo ko sa library after. Kay, I need to post the vlog. Sandwich! Just ham and egg sandwich. Nagkukog rice and gisuhan naman kay ko sa fried chicken. Kung na leftover gahapon so mag-ano lang ko kukog egg. Isipon pa hapon ko guys ang diupon. Shit. So kung mag-absent kay cramp but yeah, I don't want to, you know. Don't leave me guys. What's a black bag? The black bag. Classes are finished, guys, and it's raining. So here I am with an umbrella. Ang ano karon is mag-adto kog library kaya mag-upload kog vlog. Kaya na yung wifi dito, you know. So yeah. Guys, you were kayo. Balo mo, sa mali ko nga. Tram nakasakay. And ako sa Vasin karon. Kasi naisdiri ka kahit about Frolings Fest o Oktoberfest. May sakay na magugudit. Suno, bugukan ako eh. Nice circus ka ron. Vinac circus something. My guys. It's kusog ng ulan guys. Look. This is the circus. Mga 5 minutes ako nag-backlight. 10 minutes. Wala ako nag-ilog guys. Hindi ako yung nani kapasa ron. I think we're close to it's like around 8. It's almost 7, so yeah, it's almost closing time. Hi guys, nakaulit na ko. Narito akong mother guys, so hindi na ako pakita si Timor. Kaulit na siya guys.